show you exactly what I've got, Ruby. Presenting the one and only Kick-O-Matic 3000. Okay, nice and easy now. Whoa! Okay, I might need to make a few adjustments.
And we might need to find a new ball while we're at it. Look! I've found it! And popped it again.
Aw, good fetch, Bites. Good boy.
Oh no! The Kick-O-Matic! Bites broke it!
No, it'll take more than a little dent to break the Kick-O-Matic 3000. Watch. Come on, Kick-O-Matic, let's go. Well, you know what I always say, there's nothing broken that can't be fixed.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.